So first of all, we will see what is Euclid division lemma. If a and b are any two positive integers, then there exist q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r. And here the condition for r is 0 less than or equals to r less than b. So this is called Euclid division algorithm or Euclid division lemma. And from your 6th class, you know what is division algorithm. For example, 9 divided by 6. Here 9 is dividing by 6. How many times it will divide? 6 ones are 6 and the remainder is 3. So we can write this 9 as 6 into 1 plus this 3. So this is A, B, Q, R. So A is equal to BQ plus R. So this is division algorithm. This is not new to you, but the name itself here changed. So this is Euclid division lemma or Euclid division algorithm. Let's see the problem. Comes our first problem basing on using division algorithm. So is the problem. The problem is by using division algorithm, show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Okay, first of all, what is given in the problem is we should use division algorithm. For what purpose we should use means to show that the cube of any positive integer is in this form. So just to understand, we will see 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8 and 3 cube 27. And how we can write this as 9 into 0 plus 1, that means 9m plus 1, right? And similarly 9 into 0 plus 8 means 9m plus 8, and here 9 into 3 27 means 9m. So simple, right? So any positive integer can be write as 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. That is what we have to prove. For suppose if we take 4 cube means 64, right? So 9 into 7 plus 1, 9 7 is 63 plus 1. Again it is in the form of 9m plus 1. So we should prove any positive integer can be write in the form of this 9m, 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8. And we have some problems in this exercise only, and here in the problem it is given 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. So actually the student want to take b value as 9, right? But here in this problem we will take b as 3. Why? The reason is, if we take b as 9, then the possible r values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So every value we should substitute in a equal to bq plus r, and again we have to cube this. So the problem becomes lengthy, right? So for that purpose we will take as b equal to 3, and only 3 is the divisor of 9 here. So in this problem we will take p value as 3. Okay, let's start the solution. Let a be any positive integer, and b equal to 3. Okay, I already explained why we took b as 3. And we have by Euclid division lemma or algorithm, we have a equal to bq plus r. Okay, and here b value is 3, a equal to 3q plus r. Okay, that means the possible r values are 0, 1, 2. If r equal to 0, then a is equal to 3q plus 0, that is 3q, right? If r equal to 1, a equal to 3q plus 1. If r equal to 2, then a equal to 3q plus 2. So these are the values for any positive integer a. We got 3 values, right? Now we have to cube these 3 values. Okay, moving on. We will cube this. So what is first a value? A equal to 3q in first case. So a cube equal to, why we are cubing here? Cube of any positive integer they asked, no? So 3q whole cube. 3. So ab whole power n means a power n into b power n. So 3 cube means 27, cube 1 means cube. Okay. Again this we can write as 9 into 3q cube. So this is 9m, where m equal to 3q cube. Okay, and first one is completed. Second one, what is a value? 3q plus 1. A cube equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. So by seeing this, you should remember one formula, or you should memorize one formula which is already you have studied in your 9th class, that is a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here in the place of a, 3q, and in the place of b, 1. Just simply substitute those values. 3q whole cube plus 3a into 3q square into 1, 3 into 3q 1 whole square plus 1 cube. 3 cube means, same here we wrote, 27q cube plus 3 square 9, 9 3s are 27q square plus 1 square 1, 1 into 3 3, 3 3s are 9 cube plus 1 cube 1 only. So plus 1 form is there. So we should write this all in the form of 9 into something. 9 3s are 27, again 3s plus only 1, no need of writing 1, plus 1. So this is in the form of 9m plus 1. So where m equal to, so this is in the form of 9m plus 1. So where m equal to all this, which is in the bracket. Okay. So we proved 9m and 9m plus 1. So third case, we'll move on. So third case, if a equal to 3q plus 2. Again we are cubing, a cube equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. And we wrote formula a plus b whole cube. And here in the place of a, 3q, and in the place of b, 2. Just substitute the values in the formula. And by simplifying, 3q whole cube 27q cube, and here 3 square 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54 q square, and again here 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 q, 2 cube 8. Okay, and plus 8 we got. So this all we should write as 9m, 9 into something. So 9 3 cube, 9 3s are 9 6 are 54, 9 4s 4q plus 8. So now it is in the form of 9m plus 8, where m equal to this, which is in the bracket. Okay. So therefore cube of any positive integer can be expressed as 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Okay, I think you'll all understand, students. Thank you.